Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful and amazing plugin for Photoshop. So all you have to do is download the link in the description, okay? And you're going to get a RAR file. So you're gonna need a program that can actually extract it, which is WinZip or like WinRAR. So you can find that on Google. Now right click, extract here, and there we go. Open up the folder and you're going to find this Fractalius 2.91.exe. So you can right click and run it as an administrator, and it's going to automatically detect where your Photoshop is actually located. So of course I have the 64-bit version of Windows and the 64-bit version of Photoshop, and click install and finish. Now we are going to go to the local C disk and program files, Adobe, Photoshop, plugins, Redfield, and there it is. So all you have to do, launch Photoshop. I have the CC 2018 version, but it can totally work with the latest versions, no problem. We're gonna load the beautiful cat picture, unlock it, go to Filters, Redfield, Fractalius 2. And there you go. Yeah, it is that easy. So we're going to scale it down to 50%. And you can play around with these dials, sharpness, width, whatever. Just see what suits you. Hit OK and wait for it to actually render your image. This, of course, depends on the speed of your CPU. So while it's processing the filter, I would like to ask you to hit the like button. Of course, you can subscribe because I have 50 plus plugins for Photoshop ready for the next videos. So you're gonna definitely want to actually subscribe and stick for more videos. So with that said, I'm just gonna say I hope you enjoyed it, and it was straight to the point. There is no BS. It's just going to work. So that's what I can guarantee you. So yeah, just probably going to say take care, stay safe, and happy editing. See you in the next video.